I want to say one uncomfortable truth. Today, the older generation like to blame us, the youths, of not being proud of our language. But the truth is that now this same older generation started. Have you all noticed that English appears to be the official language to be spoken to children in Nigeria? I think in the whole of Africa, actually. The moment you see a child, it doesn't matter if the child is Yoruba or Baruba, it feels like the only acceptable language to speak to that child is English. Who made that rule? And when did we all agree to it? Let me tell you a quick story. I met one man at the train station some few months ago. This man was conspicuously Yoruba, the dressing, the abaja on his cheeks. He even had the tutu up on his wrist. And he was full of admiration. Oh, Ashere, I love what you do. Thank you for promoting the culture. You are Jesus. You are Muhammad. You are... But when this man would speak to his children, he spoke English. And I was disappointed. How is a man who is evidently so proud to be Yoruba, with tribal marks on his face, he proudly wears a Ifá's Ide on his wrist, dressed in agbada, yet does not consider his language civilized enough or good enough to be spoken to his own children? I want to say one uncomfortable truth. Today, the older generation like to blame us, the youths, of not being proud of our language. But the truth is that now this same older generation started. We the youth did not raise ourselves. If you taught us Yoruba, we would speak it. It was you who banned Yoruba in your homes. In fact, you shamed those who spoke good Yoruba and bad English. Yes, you did all of that. Evidence day.
Èmi máa ń sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé àwọn irọ́ mi ló dá èmi kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pé bàbá wọn ní dádì àti mọ́mì. Torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi, àwa tá ń pè bàbá wa ní bàbá àti màmá, àfi bẹ́ẹ̀ pọ̀. So irọ́ tàwa yìí but
it is not too late, sirs and mars, to repair your omoluabi, especially parents of my own generation who are very much interested in seeing their children speak good Yoruba. Look at this thing on my hand. Let me show you something.
Káàbọ̀, inú mi dùn láti rí ọ. Àlùbọ́sà. Ilá. Òṣùpá. Oòrùn.
Bro, this right here is cute. Even me, as old as I am, I'm addicted to it. They are called the Wazobia flashcards. Very revolutionary and effective. Anywhere in the world that you are raising your children, they can be taught how to rightfully pronounce Yoruba words in a fun-filled way. The package comes with 112 cards comprising 224 words and phrases across different segments. It is powered by a cable and can last up to 8 hours on full charge and non-stop usage. Of course, you want to pre-order. Who wouldn't want this kind of a valuable toy for their kids? Go to their website now and place an order, or simply send a DM to this account. Shipping is available to you whether you are in the UK, the US, Canada, or Nigeria. Wàá
nísìnyí báyìí ṣe ló dàbí ẹni pé èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì lèdè ọmọdé tó bá ti rọ́mọdé. Hello, come and take this. Àwọn tó wà máa ṣẹ́gẹ́dẹ́ mu, a máa rẹ́wùn.